Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to record gaming videos on PC with Facecam. Recording yourself with the Facecam while playing adds personality to your game, makes it more memorable, and lets you watch your gameplay whenever you like. And here's a beginner-friendly step guide to record gaming videos with Facecam on your Windows PC. First is to turn on your PC and sign in to Windows 11. Download and install OBS Studio from the official website. Then launch the OBS Studio after installation. In the OBS, click Settings, then go to Video. Set your base resolution and output resolution. Click Apply and OK to save changes. Go to the Sources panel and click the plus button. Choose Game Capture, click OK. Under Mode, choose Capture Specific Window. Then on Window, choose the game you want to record and click OK. Click the plus again and select the video capture device. Click OK. Choose your webcam under the device and position, minimize the Facecam on the screen. Add the mic or aux to capture your voice clearly on the audio capture, and make sure your mic is working on the mic aux section. Click to stop recording before launching or resuming the game. Play your game while OBS records both gameplay and Facecam. Click stop recording when finished, and your video is saved automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.